up on here and you said, oh, I will not let you defile his name. I will not let you come on here and such great man, such great nature boy, master teacher, my lover, my love. I will not let you defile him. Pocahontas, he defiled his own self when he opened up his mouth and say, fuck me if I am down with homosexuality. If I am not down with homosexuality, correction. He defiled his own self when he say he's a righteous person and he is master of teaching, of nature and truth. But then he says, fuck you if you are not down with homosexuality. Him defile him own blood clot self, gal. Go from ya.